headlines. I'm Amina Ansari and I will be taking you to the top headlines from the leading newspapers of the country. Let's start with the Times of India. Based on caste census, Bihar to increase quota. The Bihar government has decided to increase the combined job reservation for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, backward classes and extremely backward classes from the existing 50% to 65% to comply with the proportions of the populations of the respective groups as mentioned in the caste survey report. Next headline is from the Indian Express. Centers pick and choose in appointing judges recommended by Collegium troublesome, Supreme Court. The Supreme Court on Tuesday said it is troublesome that the centre is selectively picking, choosing and appointing judges whose names were recommended by the Collegium for the appointment to higher judiciary. Let's move on the headlines from the Hindu. Kharge may reach out to Akhilesh Yadav after election, say senior Congress leaders. Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav's daily swipes at the Congress will not derail the India bloc, and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge will reach out to Mr. Yadav once the elections in 5 states wrap up, a Congress leader said on Tuesday in New Delhi. Next, let's move on the headlines in the Economic Times. As global companies chart course for India, FDI set to rise. Overall foreign direct investment FDI into India may have declined, but there are reasons to be sanguine with the country seeing interest in greenfield investments amid the first ever decline posted by China, experts said. Let's move on to the headlines from the Telegraph. Stop crop residue burning forthwith. Can't let people die due to pollution, Supreme Court. Amid a spike in pollution level in Delhi NCR, the Supreme Court on Tuesday directed Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan to ensure crop residue burning was stopped, saying it cannot let people die due to pollution. Finally, our last headline is from the Hindustan Times. 3 of soldiers' family abducted from Manipur. 4 people, including 3 relatives of a serving army soldier, were abducted allegedly by Methi militants in Imphal West district on Tuesday, stoking fresh violence in ethnic strife-torn Manipur, people aware of the matter said. That's all for national headlines. To stay updated on the latest headlines from the leading newspapers, do join us on National Headlines from Monday to Saturday at 11:30 a.m.